Welcome. If you've been missing important Snapchat story updates, this quick guide will show exactly how to enable alert notifications for story reminders on your Android device. Let's walk through it step by step so you never miss a story again. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your device level controls are located, including how apps send notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section shows every app installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. After opening Snapchat's app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you can fully control how Snapchat alerts you. Now look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks down all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send, giving you more precise control. Scroll through the list until you find story reminders, then tap on it. This option specifically controls notifications about story updates and reminders. Finally, select Alert. This ensures that Snapchat story reminders will actively notify you with sound or pop-up alerts instead of being silent or hidden. And that's it. Once you've enabled alerts for story reminders, you'll start receiving clear and noticeable notifications whenever there's something new to check out on Snapchat.